The children have come to see the donkey. "What a dear old donkey," says Jane as she pets him. "He came last week," she tells Peter. "He came from a place by the sea. Pam found him last week when she was on her summer holiday. The donkey is too slow to walk now. Don't get up on him, Peter. He is too old for that." "No, we must not get on his back," says Peter. "We must look after him. I think he is glad to see us." Pam says he will be here always. Now this is a nice sunny place for him. "Did you bring something for him to eat?" Jane asked Peter. "We want to make friends with him." Jane has some cake and an apple. And she gives them to the donkeys. "She is not slow when she eats," she says, "but she is slow when he walks. We can always see him here," says Peter. "I hope he will be happy here for a long time."